A wheel alignment is something I recommend to be done at regular intervals, and those intervals can vary depending on the vehicle and how it's set up. Good alignments will ensure your vehicle will steer and handle correctly, your tyres wear as evenly as possible, and can even reduce your fuel consumption. But what is a wheel alignment? On almost all vehicles, there are three things that a wheel alignment technician works with: toe angle, camber angle, and caster angle. Toe angle is best understood when looking at your wheels and tyres from above. Toe out is when the leading edge of your tyres point outwards. Toe in is the opposite, pointing your tyres inwards. Almost all road cars require a toe in setting. Camber angle is best seen when looking at your vehicle from the front or the rear of your vehicle. Positive camber is when the top of the tyre points outwards. Negative camber is when the top of the tyre points inwards. Caster angle, as seen here, is often not adjustable on most vehicles but plays a crucial part in steering geometry as toe and camber adjustments are made. One of the effects of caster angle can be seen if you momentarily release the steering wheel while turning. You'll notice it automatically returns to the centre. A great wheel alignment takes into account all three of these things, which means you should get a better handling vehicle, your tyres wearing evenly, and you may even save money on fuel consumption.